Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po ay i-announce namin ang mga nagsipagwagi sa ginanap nating Mathematics Month 2025 last November. Ang tinatawagan po natin si Sir Aris. Okay na ba? Okay. Ay, sino ba ba? Okay na tayo. Si Boss.
Sige. Sige, okay na.
Mama Jane. Yan. Para magawag po yung mga certificate sa ating mga nagsipagwagi. Unahin po muna natin ang Math Trail Challenge. 5th place ay nakuha ng group number 5, Zaira Nicole L. Rojas, 12 ABM, Geraldine Roldan from grade 8 SSC, Jocelyn Colocchio from 11 Youths, Azer Sena from grade 9 Libram, Mark Nathan Tiapo, grade 10 Alex and Jude Wesley Orpiano from grade 7 Thailand. Akyat na po dito. 5th place pa na po yan. 4th place, ikaapat na pwesto, Kurt Villarde from grade 12 STEM, Shelo S. Cordoba from grade 11 ABM, Mark Vincent C. Abordane from grade 10 Amethyst, Noel Vic Perez from grade 8 Ipin, Princess Jillian Alvarez from grade 9 SSC, and Don Bartolo from grade 7 SSC. 4th place. 3rd place, Charles Ken M. Kaka from grade 7 SSC, Jeremy V. Ramos from grade 8 SSC, Zaren Lynn Santarinara from grade 9 SSC, Nicole Superman
Ay, baba kayo dito.
from grade 10 Diamond,
Ay, baba kayo dito sa baba.
Bernardine
Para
Dimano
picture.
from grade 11 STEM,
Yung
and
nakakuha.
J.R. Alvarez from grade 12 STEM. 2nd place, Daniel Tolentino from grade 12 STEM, Jelan Perez from grade 7 SSC, Akisha Elise Luminate from grade 9 SSC, Leon R. Asano from grade 8 SSC, Shalin Griego from grade 11 STEM, and Rodrigo Relianos Jr. from grade 10 Carnelian. And the champion, Leonel R.P. P. Dela Santos from grade 7 SSC, LJ Gelata from grade 8 Balaba, Rita Arevalo from grade 9 Sagittarius, Liza Hernandez from grade 10 Onyx, Scarlett Eranjo from grade 11 Yunes, and JB Miao Valdez from grade 12 ABM. So sila po ang nagtagisa ng galing sa ginanap na Mathematics School 2025. So sila po ginanapong isang grade level, isang member from each grade level. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, magkakaiba ang kanilang grade level na grupo-grupo at sila ng saranggola. Pinaka-maganda at pinaka-mataas na lipat ng saranggola. 3rd place ay nakuha ng grade 7, Carmela Sena from 7 SSC, Juan Andrew Polinario from grade 7 SSC, and Christ R. Rosa from grade 7 SSC. Akyat na po dito. 2nd place, nakuha ng grade 11, Jocelyn Colocchio from 11 Youths, Shin Mark Castillo from grade 11 ABM, and Rickson Sikihor from grade 11 ABM. Grade 11, wala, absent. And the champion, nakuha ng grade 12, Rocky J. Caras from grade 12 ABM, Sophia Amber Jeremy Balagtas from grade 12 ABM, and John Lloyd Tamaras from grade 12 ABM. Kasama dito, yan, sa Sinopo, grade 11. Grade 12, representative. So sila po ang top 3 groups na nanguna sa kite making and kite flying contest. Competition! Simulan natin sa babae female category. Third place, Sakura Reynaldo from grade 9 Pisces. Second place, Marian Monique Ramos from grade 8 Hot. And the champion, Saira Dale Albaya from grade 9 Aries. Male category sa mga lalaki. Third place, Henry Torion III from grade 11 STEM. Second place, Jetro T. Belas from grade 8 Mahogany. And the champion, Jared Luis A. Darang from grade 10 Carnarian. So sila po ang pinakamabilis na nakapag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Pabilisan. Picture! So, female category and the male category. Magnets! Maghawak kamay! Hawak kamay! Itas! At magbigay tugay! Congratulations! At ito naman po ang mga nanalo sa Frisbee competition. Grade 12! Alam niyo naman to. Kilala niyo naman ang nanalo dito. Grade 12! Third place, John Michael C. Pineda from grade 12 Rooms. Second place, John May Castillo from grade 12 ABM. And the champion, Kurt Velarde from grade 12 STEM. Punta na po dito, bilis! Grade 11, third place, Charlene Griego from grade 11 STEM. Second place, Raisi May Morante from 11 ABM. And the champion, Aaron Kane Amvivor from grade 11 STEM. Alright, pababa na tayo, grade 10. Third place, Evelyn H. Pereira from 10 Emerald. Second place, Eliza Joyce Florentino from grade 10 Amethyst. And the champion, Mark Vincent C. Abordare from grade 10 Amethyst. Pwesto po dito. Our grade 9 winners. Third place, Rika P. Arevalo from grade 9 Sagittarius. Second place, Cassandra Bautista from grade 9 SSC. And the champion, Precious Balacruz from 9 Aries. Congratulations! Grade 8! Ano ba? Third place! Marian Monique L. Ramos from grade 8 Buhat. Second place! Lian R. Asano from grade 8 SSC. And the champion, Jeremy V. Ramos from grade 8 SSC. Grade Special Science Class. Ating mga mathletes, maghahawak kamay, itaas, at magbigay-pugay. Congratulations! Sa aming tayo ng Mathematics Department, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Pakikisa. Ma'am, kaya announce lang po.